Well, it's positive cues for Asia as well as all eyes would be in terms of the OPEC meet outcome. However, in US, we are seeing the US technology shares gain. S&P 500 also has reached record highs on the back of US President Joe Biden's $2.3 trillion infrastructure pitch. In fact, for the month, the Dow is up 6.6% and gained nearly around 7.8% for the quarter. S&P 500 is up nearly around 4.2% in March and 5.8% for the quarter. Nasdaq has eked out nearly around 0.4% monthly gain and advanced close to around 2.8% for the quarter. The US 10-year yield also continues to gain. It has inched up for a fourth straight day, hitting nearly around 1.75%, just shy of rather 1.75% at 1.749%. We're also seeing that overall there is some amount of optimism in the economy, and President Joe Biden's infrastructure pitch has been at the center of the optimism, at least as of now. In Europe, the European stocks were flat on Wednesday as a 30% slump for delivery company Deliveroo in its London debut took the shine off the fourth straight quarterly rise of the benchmark STOXX 600. The pan-European STOXX 600 inched down to 430.4, trading below its pre-pandemic peak. The benchmark was on course to end with a 6.4% rise, and the first quarter with a gain of nearly around 8%. Economically sensitive sectors such as autos, banks, travel, leisure have been the top performance in Europe this quarter, as investors have hoped that the reopening of the economy is likely to spur growth in these sectors. FTSE and CAC were down by nearly around 0.8% and 0.3% respectively, and DAX was flat. In Asia, we did see some amount of positive cues there. Asia stocks edged higher on Thursday. We're also seeing that there is a good amount of optimism in Asia on the back of US President Joe Biden's infrastructure pitch. Shares rose in Japan as well as South Korea, while Australia did see some amount of modest gains there. US contracts were in the green after the S&P index closed higher, and stronger technology stocks drove the outperformance in the Nasdaq. Nikkei was up close to around 0.9%, while Australian shares were up nearly around 0.3%. Kospi index was up close to around 0.7%. Oil will be the key thing to be watched out for. All eyes would be on the OPEC meet to discuss the production levels for May on Thursday. However, the WTI crude did decline by close to around 2.3%, just shy of $60 per barrel at $59.16 a barrel. Gold strengthened slightly at 1.3% to $17.07 an ounce, the biggest increase in 3 weeks on the back of stabilizing yields. We've already seen gold in fact touching multi-month lows, nearly around 11-month lows recently.